Hello. Look what I'm making. I am making some blender juice, and I'm going to cut up some greens and celery. That's some kale and some celery, and I'm going to put it in my blender. I'm going to add some water, and then I have a lemon. I'm going to cut that up and drop it in, and then I'm going to blend it in the blender. And then guess what I'm using? All you have to do is go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a paint strainer bag, and that's what I use. That paint strainer bag is like 6 years old, and it was like in a package of 2 for less than, back then when I bought them, it was like $2, $1.50. They may have gone up a little bit. So you just use this as a nut milk bag. I do all kinds of things with this. I make my cheese in it. I make my almond milk, and I just keep squeezing it like I'm milking a cow. You just be patient. Don't squeeze it too hard. And see the pulp? When you're all done, you'll have a pulp. I could probably even squeeze it a little bit more, but I didn't. So now I'm just going to pour it in the jar, and then I'm going to drink it. And it was good. It's really good. It made almost a quart. And check this out. Isn't that cool? All in the blender. And I'm done with it. Look at that. All gone. Bye-bye.